good. So usually I record videos between 11 and 12 in the morning, but today my guest can't make it till 6 o'clock my time. He has like a regular job and has to do it after work. So instead of barbecuing or grilling some food for dinner, I'm doing it for lunch. And this is some grilled chicken thighs with red pepper. As you can see how it makes the chicken all red. And not just red pepper only, but it's also marinated in salt, black pepper, and onion. So if you look around, you can see we got a lot of rain last night. And what happens is this ground isn't even, and the water kind of pools in areas, so I have to kind of brush the water towards that side so it'll drain out. Shad hamave. It's very delicious.
Are spices good? Perfect.
Good job. It was great teamwork. You spiced it great and I grilled it great.
Awesome.
I got a package today from Robin Waters. Robin, if you're watching, thank you very much for sending these. She sent me some mugs, so let's open it up together. It's a Jeff Mara podcast mug. And as you can see here, for podcast, purely opening dynamic consciousness aligns serene transmissions. And then I think these are some pictures of some orbs. And then Jeff elevates frequencies for making ascended realities appreciated. And another orb. And another orb here. So Robin, these are cool. Thank you so much for making these and sending these to me. I think this is supposed to be the same thing, but I'll make sure. There's a sticker on the bottom, and I thought I was going to say what your store is so I could tell everybody about your store, but it doesn't show your store anywhere here. But it's the same thing, and it's very nicely done. The printing on these mugs looks good. It's not faded at all, which I like. Thank you again, Robin. It's very kind and generous of you. Where is she? Oh, I almost sat on her. She was sitting behind me. Why were you sitting behind me? She likes to do that sometimes, that she'll just go and sit behind me. Maybe it's warmer or something. And then sometimes she likes to just sit right here on the side too. Maybe it's like too hot or something and this is cooler. It's delicious. Ham oven.
Do you want to try a peach?
Yeah, peach. Yeah.
There you are.
It's good.
Yes, good. Is it? That's got to be peach and something else, though, right?
Well, they all have ginger in them.
Peach
Oh,
ginger. Yeah, it's
It's
kind
all
of spicy.
ginger. Yeah, it's got carbonated water in it as well.
Oh,
I mean, the ginger beer.
it's good. It's good.